First up is a player who excels in all forms of handball. En route to the final, she has beaten Aisling Mullen, Megan McCann and Kalisa Nidul. She's playing in her hometown and she's sure to have huge support here. Put your hands together for the lefty from Limerick, Martina McMahon. And her opponent, who's playing in her third major singles final in 2024 alone. A former senior intercounty ladies footballer, she is one of the most athletic, exciting players in the game. Playing out of the famous St. Coman's club. Give it up for Oscailte Fiona Tully.
Serving 0.
He stung me. That's my job to you.
Sorry.
Okay.
Oh, look at
Martina
starting fresh. Like the nerves, there's no nerve there. Look at that.
Just cerebral, doesn't really look like she cares. If she doesn't have to move.
3,
Martina
serving 0.
Absolutely brilliant. So we'll go to 3-0. That's a better shot from
No, chance
Fiona.
for Fiona. That's better.
A good shot.
That's more
Side
like
out.
it. She's on the scoreboard.
That should sell the nerves a bit.
Yeah.
Second serve.
Now going back into play, so does a lob down to the right hand side as they trade overhands. Goes down the line. Good angle from Fiona. That's an overswing from Fiona as well.
Side out. Point.
Yeah, she needs to settle, Chris.
Yeah.
The woman from Connacht has to settle down.
4 serving 1.
You've played Fiona quite a bit over the last couple of weeks.
She's a different woman in training.
That looks short.
Point. Your appeal?
She's beating the serve.
I saw it good. Saw it good, Joe. Good. Good.
That's a good return from both players. As Fiona drives down the line.
Good defensive play from both players and Fiona.
Oh, that drops in.
It drops in, I think.
That's a great shot.
Drops in. That's a great shot. She was lucky with that one.
Yeah, she's
side out.
Hey,
point.
You got to get a bit of luck in this game
true.
as well.
That's
4
true.
Serving 7.
Yeah, definitely take.
That's a great
shot.
serve. That was she's getting the first serve in.
Fiona turned off.
Yeah, she switched off. She was admiring her serve there, Chris.
10. Serving 6.
As Martina gets back into serve and deep serves it to Fiona's right hand.
Big chance for Fiona.
It's a big shot. It's
great
a great pick
great
from
pick.
Martina.
That's
a great shot.
That's a great kill. That's a great rally, Chris.
Side out.
That was that was a little teaching moment where on the serve she had switched off. Now she's not actually
7. Serving 10.
Yeah, it was a learning point. She learned from it. Big rally here, Chris. Big rally.
That was the great Vlad Klim on timeouts. It's a
big rally, big rally, big rally.
Oh, Fiona just about
that was an important rally, very important rally. Whoever won that rally set their stall. So Martina's shot off now to a 15-8 lead. And that's the game plan.
17, serving 9.
Big serve. That's a great shot. Great second shot.
Fiona pokes
that
it
ball.
off.
It's good.
Yeah.
Good ball. Good ball.
Martina looks for an appeal, but
it's a side out and a point. Head. Game point, serving 10.
So Martina kind of has the advantage of replaying that because she's a big serve.
Oh, without question. Oh, great return by Fiona. All right, she's going to take advantage here. Down the middle, center ball. Martina's backing her up. Fiona's
down the middle is safe, isn't it?
It's safe at this moment in time, but Fiona's way too far back. Yep.
Well, is that?
Yeah.
That's game 1. We got 2 minutes.
What would you do now if you're Fiona?
So, if you're Fiona, that's not a pattern of play that you want to see. You don't want to be standing 10 meters behind the line, volleying overhand with Martina. That's where Martina wants to be.
If she lets it up high, she hasn't time. That's That's much better. Oh, Martina's so quick.
She's so quick. And look, and if Fiona, you have to do more with the ball. You have to stop going down. And honestly, Martina right now, if you could imagine prior to this having played in a Wallball
serving
Finals in 2018, she was coming in with a lot of confidence here. Up a game right now, 5-0, and she's starting to control the rallies this much. Oh, and what a recovery. Oh, and what a shot by Fiona.
Very fast hands, Fiona. Very fast hands.
Absolutely. We need to see Fiona get aggressive, move Martina around,
Short ball.
and just plant a little bit of doubt to let her know, hey, I can take that ball on the rise early. I can kill that ball whenever I want to.
Right.
Just so Martina then, she gets the test to see whether Martina tightens up just a little bit and gets conservative with the returns. Oh, Fiona's backing up there. Oh, what a drive cross court.
Big fly kill. Fly kill. That's the way to do it. Drive it and fly kill it.
Yep. Right. Yep. And that's the pattern of play if you're Fiona, what you want to see. You know, when you get 2-3 chances per game, it's quite challenging the amount of pressure Martina's putting on her right now.
Better.
Great pass. Oh, what a dig.
That for a reach.
What a dig. Oh, down the middle.
Oh, wow.
What
look
a
at that.
Shoots in front of herself.
That's a great rally. We'll have a look at that again. Look at that. That's a great shot between the legs. That's great control by Martina.
13, serving 3.
So a timeout would be a good idea here, maybe. That's a good lift.
Okay, she's backing her up to the left side. She's hitting it to the middle of the court. Martina's driving to her body. Oh, Fiona stays in position. Good. Oh, Martina cuts it off early. Great
play. Great cut off.
What a read. What a read. She realized she was going to be boxed in if the ball bounced by Fiona. She changes it upstairs down the right. What a great lob. Martina's got her boxed out. Oh, Fiona moved a little early.
She did. She got lucky.
Oh, yep. Referee let them play. She moved a little bit early. Nearly took Martina's shot out. Got to be careful there.
5-14.
Big serve.
Short left serve. Great. What
That's
a return.
Great angle. That's
oh,
some angle.
My goodness.
That's some angle from Martina. That's the lefty. She came over the top of the ball with the fist.
You've got to make her pay right away. Drive at her body. You move her back with pace. If she hits a wide angle on you, you've got to hit it high enough and angled enough that she has to move diagonally across the court to get the ball. Oh, great shot by Fiona.
So that's what you're saying. Fiona hit that one cross court.
Exactly.
She's moved Martina out now. See the way Martina's standing there now for the receiving serve?
7, serve
Fiona has to
17.
stay inside, keep Martina back.
19,
Fiona's much better than this.
serving 7.
But I suppose, look at the big occasion, big day. But
oh, what a serve.
Like
I mean,
they
that's
were
an
coming
incredible
off. See them gets there. They were coming off yesterday first.
Yeah.
She was killing them yesterday. You know.
World Championship point, serve 7.
All the pressure's on Fiona. Martina with a strong cross-court return. Fiona down the line. Oh, there's a box out. He got the shot. She got the shot.
Great box out.
Amazing.
Fiona stood her ground there and forced Martina to play the shot, like you said. That's a great box out. Martina had to stand her ground, stay there. She was caught, boxed in.
Absolutely. Great serve again. Cross-court return. She goes back down the middle. She gives the setup to Martina. Just
Big
recovers.
Chance here for the World Championship point.
Oh, what a
Another
get.
chance. That's it. That's it. Martina pumps the fist bump in the air. And she's back. Martina, she's back. She's back to her best. She had a serious operation there a couple of years ago in the back. You probably heard about that.
Oh, yeah.
And we weren't sure was Martina going to be back. But she's back to her best.
Unbelievable. A deserving champion. By far the best player we've seen this weekend on the women's bracket. Absolutely deserves to be here. Absolutely deserves the title. And in what fashion? In what form? There was no question that she was going to win this final.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the 2024 O'Neills.com World Open Singles Ladies Champion, Martina McMahon.
To 18 months ago, I thought this was all over for me. It's been a long, long road and plenty of ups and downs, more downs than ups, but Jesus, what a day today. I thought I'd never be back here.